Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change watermark color in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take some text with text watermarks. Now we want to change the watermark color. Go to the View menu. Then select the Master Pages option and click the text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Go to the text box menu and select the text fill color. Then we can see here many colors. You can choose any color. Now I select the orange color. Then go back the Master Pages section and choose Close Master Page. Now we can see we change the watermark color very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.